Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a nice fish which name is rayek bata in local language, but its scientific name is Sirhinus reba. Let's start the drawing from here, from the left side. Okay, say an outline on top. This is the little bit curve. Then we're going to draw the fin. As you can see, all right, the outline goes towards the tail. Okay, also another line that is like the opposite of the top one runs to this another fin you can see here. All right, there's a special scales or an outline like this straight line here in the middle. There's the characteristics. All right, let's put the darker color for the harder parts which is in the tail and in the fin. Let's make it a dark one, putting the all shades at the back. Okay, also the same dark color goes to the tail, the last end. Okay, and the colors on the back. It's quite a dark deep color as you can see here. I'm putting right now. All right, so we're going to put some outline of the scales in the back. Some color we're going to put around the head in the front face, around the face. Let's make it little bit red color. All right, so this part, this is going to be the dark red. This is also dark red. Okay, in the bottom let's make it little shades of the same color. we can make the outline a little darker along the border. You can see the outline here. Okay, so the details, it looks good. Alright, so the drawing is complete. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. You can browse through the playlist and have lots of options in different categories. You can have your own choices, which part you want to draw first. You can start learning from that segment. Thank you so much. In next videos, we are going to bring more items and more topics we're going to draw. Alright, until then, stay tuned with Blue Hand Drawing. Thank you so much. Have a good day.